let me start by saying that Ghana and Zambia have strong relations dating back to the era of Dr. Kenneth Kaunda and Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, because these two were freedom fighters who saw to the total emancipation of Africa from colonialism. And let me also add by saying that Ghana was the first country to establish diplomatic relations with Zambia following their independence. And so this visit goes a long way, is going a long way to further strengthen the bond of relation between the two countries. Now, coming to the current state visit, it's going to, we are going to sign some MOUs in the area of bilateral air service agreements, in the area of visa waiver. Visa waiver is very important because the two countries have very little trade between them. And so it's going to improve movement of persons between the two countries. We are also going to sign MOU in the area of health, several MOU. So these MOUs will further strengthen the relation between the two countries, because we are going to then move to the implementation phases. Thank you.